Welcome sa sip9.com. This video ay ituloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions. No? So sa previous video, ang ginawa natin ay pinag-aralan natin kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng reducing to lowest terms. No? Ang gagawin natin in this video ay mag-solve ng mga sample exercises on reducing rational numbers and rational fractions or rational expressions to lowest terms. No? So let's start with uh, number 1, 9/15. I think madali lang ito no kasi elementary pa lang kayo ginagawa niyo na ito. So 9, makikita natin 9 is equal to 3 times 3, no? And yung 15, yung factor niya ay 3 times 5, diba? So magiging 9/15 is equal to 3 times 3, no? Divided by 3 times 5. So common factor yung 3, pareho silang factor ng 9 tsaka 15, so we can cancel out, no? Magiging 1 niya kasi pwede mong hiwalayin eh. 3/3 ay 1. So, ang matitira na lang ay 3/5. No? Number 2, we have 48/60. No? Well, pag alam nyo na yung greatest common divisor ng dalawang yan, madali na lang yan. Pero kung hindi nyo alam, pwede nating i-factor completely. No? So, ang 48, for example, ay pwede mong sabihin 24 times 2, no? Tapos yung 24 naman ay 12 times 2, no? At yung 12 ay 3 times 4. At yung 4 ay 2 times 2, no? So, yung mga dulo niyan, no? Yan yung ating factors, no? Oh, sorry. Ilang 2 yan? 4, tsaka isang 3. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, no? You don't have to do this, no? Pwede kayong mag-isa-isa. No? So, magiging 48 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, no? Pwede nyo check, 4 times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16, times 3 is 48. So, tama, no? At yung 16 naman ay pwede nyo sabihin 2 times 30, no? 2 times 30. Ang 30 ay 2 times 15, so another 2 naman. Ang 15 ay 3 times 5, no? 3 times 5. So, I think 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 5 is 60. Okay, so makikita nyo, pwede nating ilagay ng 48 ay 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And yung 60 naman ay 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So, ano mga pwede natin cancel? Yung dalawang 2 na to, dalawang 2 tsaka itong 3. So, 4/5. So, matitira dalawang 2. Mga 1 lahat yan, huwag nyo kalimutan. Baka mamaya pag walang natira, lagay nyo 0. So, 2 times 1 times 1 times 2 times 2 times 1 is 4. And then 1 times 1 times 1 times 5 is 5. No? Kaya nag-1 yun kasi if ibig sabihin, we get the common divisor of yung 2. Kapag dinivide mo yung 2 sa tsaka 2, magiging 1. 2 tsaka 2, magiging 1. And nandito sa 3. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Mabilis lang tayo, no? Binilisan lang natin. But of course, kung alam nyo na yung greatest common divisor niya, actually, yung greatest common divisor niya ay 12. So, pwede nyo na siyang i-direct. So, you don't have to do this, no? So, 48 times 60, alam natin na ang 48 ay 12 times 4. At alam din natin na ang 60 ay 12 times 5. So, we can already cancel. No? Mabilis. Maging 4/5. As you solve, makikita nyo madali yung makita yung greatest common divisors ng dalawang numbers. No? Paragi kayo nagpa-practice. Okay? Let's have number 3. We have 3. We have x squared minus 16 over 3x plus 12. Now dito, walang ano dito, no? Talagang kailangan alam yung factoring, no? How to factor polynomials, no? And that is another topic, no? So dapat alam niyo na yung factoring bago kayo makapag-reduce to lowest terms pag ganito, no? Hindi natin i-discuss yung factoring dito kasi ito ay series on rational expressions, ibig sabihin, pag tinake itong lesson niya to ay na pag-aralan nyo na yung factoring. Anyway, I'll try to explain as easy as possible. So kung natandaan nyo yung factoring lessons niyo, this is a difference of two squares, no? Pag sinabi natin difference of two squared, it is in the form of a squared minus b squared, no? Parehong perfect square tapos may minus. So ang pinaka-factor niya na ay a plus b tsaka a minus b. So square root nito, tapos plus tsaka minus, no? So ang square root nito ay x, and then square root nito ay 4, no? So ibig sabihin yung x plus 4 times x minus 4, no? Ito yung factor niya. And then yung sa baba naman ay pwede nating i-factor out yung 3, no? So 3 magiging x plus 4 yung sa yung kasama niyang factor, no? So magiging 3x plus 12 pag distribute natin yung 3, babalik siya dito, no? So from there, makikita niyo pwede natin i-cancel yung 4, no? Pwede na yun ma-cancel, and our answer is, pero pag nag-cancel tayo, magkakaroon tayo ng additional na, pag nag-cancel tayong ganyan, magkakaroon tayo ng additional na condition that x must not equal to negative 4, no? Bakit hindi pwede? Bawal maging 0, no? Pwede lang tayo mag-cancel pag non-zero yung denominator natin. At pag ang x ay negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Ibig sabihin, cancellation will only work if x is not equal to negative 4. No? So, dapat naka-include ito. Although madalas, hindi ito natuturo kahit sa mga books. Madalas, may mga local books ako na nakikita na hindi yan nakalagay. Pero dapat meron yan. No? So, mawawala na yung dalawang yan, meaning the final answer is x minus 4 over 3. No? And again, we still have this one. X is not equal to negative 4. Let's have one more example. So, hindi ko kayo matutulungan dito na sa factoring, no? Dito sa video na to, ang gagawin nyo is, kung hindi kayo familiar, you search yung SIP9 yung SIP9 YouTube channel, search nyo yung factoring kasi dinidiscuss ko lahat yan, yung mga different types of polynomials kung saan pwede natin siya i-factor. 3x squared plus 9x minus 12. 3x squared plus 9x minus 12 over x minus 1. Okay, so magiging, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede natin i-factor out yung 3, no? Kasi these are multiples of 3, yung 3, 9, tsaka yung negative 12, no? Or yung minus 12. So magiging 3 times quantity x squared plus 9 divided by 3 is 3x minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. No? So pag binalik mo yan, 3x squared plus 9x minus 12. No? Pag dinistribute mo yung 3 over x minus 1. And one strategy, pag factoring, pag may x minus 1 ka sa baba, malamang one of the factors here is also x minus 1. No? Hindi naman palaging totoo yan, no? Pero kung nagpapa-cancel, so most likely ito ay kasama sa factor nito. So, pwede natin subukan, no? 3 times quantity x minus 1 over x minus 1. Ano kaya? Siyempre, x din yan, no? Kasi x squared. Tapos yung dulo niya ay 4. Kasi yung the last term, tsaka last term nito ay negative 4 or minus 4. So, para siya maging minus 4, magiging minus ba tayo or plus? Pag naging minus to, magiging plus yung dulo. So, ibig sabihin plus ito. No? Pwede natin i-check. We have x squared. X times x is x squared. And then itong nasa gitna, we have minus x. And then itong nasa labas, we have plus 4x. And then yung sa dulo ay minus 4. So, magiging x squared minus or plus 3x minus 4, which is the same as this one. No? So, ibig sabihin tama yung ating pag-factor. No? Meaning, we can cancel out yung x minus 1. No? And again, dapat dagdagan natin ng x. Kailan maging 0 to? If x is 1, so dapat x is not equal to 1. No? Para hindi maging 0 yung denominator natin. Meaning, the final answer is 3 times quantity x plus 4, where x is not equal to 1. Okay, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Again, hindi ko ituturo yung factoring dito kasi this is not a factoring lesson. Ang assumption is alam nyo na yung factoring. Kung interesado kayo matutunan yung factoring, hindi nyo pa alam. Just search for our series on factoring in the Sipnayan YouTube channel. Okay, so gusto ko yung invite, no, bago tayo magtapos. Gusto ko yung invite dito sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/sipnayanph, at sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.